Hey there, everybody, it is me, Equinox, and I am back today. Believe it or not, this is it, we're here. Here to play some Sonic Adventure. The sequel to the first game that we're playing first because it got ported to the GameCube first. And... fucking hell, hold on a second.
Options.
How do I switch? Here we go.
File select.
It's this one, yep. Alright. Small detour, but that's fine. You know.
Select.
God damn it, what? Alright. There we go. It's a good thing I set up this little save state just in case something like that happened. Yeah, so I've had to play through this game way too many times. Which is why it doesn't get uploaded so much, because replaying this is kind of tedious.
What's happening here?
Oh, Eggman. So this is the finale. We still have, well, there's...
It's my grandfather.
It's my grandfather. Yes. Alright, so we actually have some more story going on here.
What's that?
I don't remember how long this is. So I'm probably just going to play through it, and then I'll cut it all at the end, so... I don't know how many episodes this will take.
It's all over for us.
What do you mean?
I just received a message from my boss. This space colony Ark is currently approaching the Earth at an incredible velocity.
What? The stars aren't moving at all in the background, though?
Earth.
There's like no sense of motion, like at all.
What's that on the screen?
Oh shit, this one's an actual cutscene.
Every human being on Earth. If my calculations are correct, the space colony Ark will impact the Earth in 27 minutes and 53 seconds. All of you will be destroyed, along with your beloved planet Earth.
Well, that's kind of dark, don't you think? Like maybe that's a bit extreme. No, okay, it's actually just gonna happen. All right, I guess we should stop that. Getting a little Final Fantasy VII vibes from this.
I plan to give you a taste of my revenge once all the 7 Chaos Emeralds are collected. Once I initiate this program, it cannot be disabled. All of you ungrateful humans who took everything away from me will feel my loss and despair.
How did he record this? He's chained to a chair. I don't think his captives,
Is there anything else you
his
want to say?
captors would,
No.
Ready?
oh, I guess they were fine with this.
Here. Who is that?
I plan to give you a taste of my revenge.
The vibration's getting
once all
worse.
this-
Professor Gerald Robotnik, one of the greatest scientific minds in the world, and my grandfather.
I knew you were behind all this. Stop it right now, or else...
I'd have done this a long time ago if I had the chance.
What do you mean?
Eggman not surprised that Sonic's alive at all.
For a hedgehog, aren't you?
Oh, never mind.
Still alive, huh?
Just letting Knuckles pilot the shuttle on the way over here was more dangerous than you could ever be.
What's this?
Okay, that's kind of funny.
Grandfather's diary.
Genuinely found that joke funny. Yeah, just pop that bad boy in there. What does he got to say?
I don't quite know what happened or what went wrong.
Oh
Was
my
it a
god, what is
mistake
that
to create
text?
The ultimate life form? I thought it would be something that would benefit
That's worse than
mankind.
240p.
But then the military guards landed on the colony that day. They were sent to destroy the research project that I had been working on. My colleagues at the research facility, my granddaughter, Maria, I hope you are all safe. The colony was completely shut down, probably to keep the prototype from falling into the wrong hands.
Into the wrong hands. The Ark was shut down under the premise that there had been an accident. I found Maria's name among those who died when the Ark was shut down. She meant everything to me, and I couldn't bear the thought that she died because of my research. I lost everything. I had nothing more to live for. I went insane. All I could think about was to avenge her. Somehow, some way. I got scared as I no longer was able to control my thoughts. All I could think about was that I wanted it all to be based on my original projections. I was able to complete my project, Shadow. I designed its mind to be perfect, pure. I will leave everything to him. If you wish, release and awaken it
If
to
you
the
wish
world.
to fill the world with destruction... Oh, so that's why you released Shadow from the base.
Core of the Eclipse cannon is now highly reactive and explosive.
Ooh, the music's picking up.
Chaos Emerald is overpowered. If the colony collides with Earth, it will shatter into pieces like my grandfather predicted. That mad scientist.
That should be you, right? We have to stop the space colony now.
The space colony arc position may have shifted due to the amount of energy given off by the emeralds. We have to stop the energy.
But how?
That's it. There is a way to stop the energy. We have to use your emerald. You're the one that told me that the Master Emerald has the power to stop the Chaos Emerald.
That's right. If I use
Why is it so
this
small?
might be able to stop the Chaos Emerald.
What?
The reaction of the Chaos Emerald is moving toward the cannon's core. It may be too late.
There still may be some time left. If we pull together, we might be able to get to the shortcut that leads to the core.
Alright. So, just some silence, I suppose. I really wanted to show off this animation of the map. Yep. Any second.
No worries.
There we go.
Just leave it to me.
Okay.
I'm the world's fastest hedgehog.
Then, let's get to work.
Let's get to work! Oh, that's fine. I don't care. Continue. I got 2 emblems for watching a cutscene, by the way. Cool. What is that? Is that real? I don't remember that at all. Okay.
System alert. System alert.
Ooh.
Intruder has breached the system area.
Okay. Oh, am I on a time limit? I actually don't know. Oh, hello. Okay, goodbye. That was fun interaction. What does that do? Oh, the time freezer mechanic. Okay. But yeah, we now have to play mission for every character, I do believe. I don't remember what Tails' goal was. Does it say? No, it doesn't say anything. Oh my god, it released me. Wait, where are you going? No, let me off! What? I did not know this was a thing that could happen. Alright, not doing that ever again. Yo, the best. Alright. Yeah, did not know that thing could take you back up. You okay, Tails? Saying okay a lot. Oh, okay, we're good. As, this doesn't happen to go down there, does it? Okay, well, I guess we'll figure it out. I'm sure this is perfectly normal, yeah. Let me in. Ah! Alright. Aw, you bitch! Alright, that's fine. Yep. Don't know why Eggman has just absolute all time stopping mechanism. Oh god. Oh god! Let me out! What? I didn't even get to hear what the doc said. That's gonna like crush me, right? Oh, this is just annoying. There we go. Oh, I have to kill it? Okay. Excuse me, sir. I'm busy. Oh, was that my whole mission? Alright. Tails did it. Good job, Tails. Now it's my turn. The best character in the game. Oh, I'm playing. The camera did not change, so... Why are there gun robots here? That doesn't even make any sense. We are on the colony. This is your home turf, Eggman. I can't see anything. There we go. That'll open the door. And now Eggman has one of these things that I pray to God I don't accidentally jump back onto. Yosh! Okay, I have to kill these things. Check out my sick hover tech. I'm like gonna die, actually. Oh, I'm taking a little bit more damage than I had anticipated. How am I gonna deal with this? That did not work. Why did his fucking punching glove bopped me off the edge? Okay. No. Nothing beats the hover technique. This is fucking intimidating. Look, you ever see this coming at you? You're never gonna approach it. Okay, let's see. Come on. How do I fucking kill him? Ah! I guess that works for some reason. Anything in here? Nope. Cool. I don't know why I was struggling so much with that. More time stop bullshit. Oh my god, what am I looking at in here? It's been a while since I've played through last story, actually. Huh. Something I just noticed. I should probably not have done that. That's okay, another one's coming, I think. Yeah, there we go. When the time stopped, Eggman's jet thrusters appear, but they don't animate. It's interesting. See, look at that, they're not animated. Oh, how was I? Okay. There's a checkpoint in this one? Okay. Alright. What happened? Oh, I'm going down. This is part of the level design. God, if these spinning walls are really something else, aren't they? Yeah, I ain't even gonna fuck with that balloon. Can I stand on this? I can. Nice. Oh, it's the security door. How the fuck am I supposed to get up this? Oh, with that? Probably. Where's that spawn? Ooh, right there. Oh! Not even close. I knew my limits. That is a very low ceiling, by the way. Can we not ever do that again? Alright. Oh, that was fun. Good shit. Give me a character that... Oh. Find it! Alright. I'm pretty sure I just have to climb this. I could be wrong. But I'm pretty sure I just have to climb this. I'm pretty sure it's that simple. The sound that these walls are making is quite obnoxious, though. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh. Where do I go now? I thought that was it. Why is there a hole here? What? Okay. Yeah, it's right here. I can climb that, apparently. Can't climb the walls. Dear God. Oh, I see. So touching this? Yeah, you go flying. I see, I have to go through here. Understood. I understand everything. I am the understander, as they call me. Whoa, Rouge. Okay. Only God knows why the switch is up here. Can I see? Okay, it's over here. So I just gotta do this, huh? Oh, baby, where are we going? That is suboptimal. I'll wait here. This probably seems like what you're supposed to do. Ah, okay. There we go. Make sure we kill some of these guys. Can I grab one? I cannot.
Throw the switch and drain the liquid.
No rings. Okay, I wanted that thing dead. Are there rings in here? No. Okay. This is gonna kill me. For sure, right? No. Okay. Oh, are we out? We are. Nice. Nicely done. There's a bird! That bird's gonna drown, dude! Look at that bird! And now it is Knuckles' turn, I do believe. Let's see. Yep. This door right here? Why don't I just break it with my big knuckles? Fuck that guy. Alright. Okay, so. The reason you really want to get the upgrade in Aquatic Mine is for this part of the level. So. Oh, sick. We will likely need that because we're getting low on lives. Yeah. So we get the breathing underwater ability just for Knuckles. Knuckles is the only character that... I didn't get it? I never got it. Alright. Well... You learn something new. I'm pretty sure I got it in an earlier episode. So when I had to replay the game, guess what? It means I probably didn't pick it up. Alright, so we made the game infinitely harder on ourselves by not grabbing that. But it's okay. I don't think this is going to be like super... Okay, this is bad. I think there are air bubbles. Let's look around. Yeah, there's an air bubble right there. Okay. We'll get that. And we'll book it for here. I hope... I don't know. There should be an air bubble in here. If... You know... Oh my fucking god. I'm actually just dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Damn it. Oh my god, that's gruesome. Alright, tell you what. I see myself dying a lot here. I'm gonna drop the save state. Because that's gonna be very bad if we do game over. so, yeah, no, I've never done this portion without the necklace. I think I've done it once without the necklace when I was a kid, because I didn't know the necklace was a thing. But, yeah. Hold up. Really? What the hell is in this room? And why is it shooting at me? There's the thing I'm looking for. I don't remember there being an enemy in here. If I don't make it this attempt, I'll probably start making cuts. To be quite honest with you. Alright, that should be good enough. And there's no air in this room either. Of course there isn't. What am I looking for? Is this really not it? Okay. Alright, so we hit that. And then we can go through here, maybe? No. No, that's not it at all. Unless it's in that hole where Rouge died earlier? I could see that. Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's fair. That's fair. Oh, it's not. It's not in the hole where Rouge died. Alright, so it turned out to be... I mean, I don't feel as stupid now, because it's kind of... I wouldn't say it's cryptic, but it was definitely not the first thing that came to my mind. You actually just have to do this. And you come over here, and then you get sent up here, and it's like this really weird thing. Yeah, and then that goes away, and then you go through there, I guess. I didn't check out anything past that. But my god, it's so unnecessary, I feel like. Like, why not just let that be open when you flood the room? Ah, yes, let's make a long-ass corridor.
I found the switch on radar. The security door which is accessible from the waterway.
Hold up. Thank you for giving me that aerial view of the room, by the way. That actually helped. Oh. Am I not supposed to... Oh, I need the time stop thing now, huh? Okay. There's no way that this lasts long enough. Is there? No, there's no way. I'm too late. That's not air! Okay.
Alright.
Ooh. Are you kidding me? Alright, so this time it should be a banger. And by banger, I mean we're living... I know you found the switch on radar. Thank God you can still move around in that. Let's see. Oh, fuck me. Forgot I gotta go hit the F-stop button. We're getting pretty fast at this, though, I suppose. So that's a plus. Okay, air bubbles are in the corners, just know that. Am I making it? I'm totally making it. Yeah. Air bubble here in the corner. Alright. Okay, we're taking another air bubble, I guess. Playing this goddamn game on hard mode because I don't have the power-ups. It's alright, I suppose. No. Okay. Okay, yes. That's pretty tight. Pretty tight timing required right there. Oh, made it. I'm beelining straight for this bubble. Nothing else matters. Alright, and there's the switch. Do I have to get back? I don't have to get back, right? That would be stupid. Okay, I don't have to get back. Knuckles just drowns there for the rest of the time, apparently. And it's okay. Oh, here we go. Oh god, what is this? I don't recall that enemy. Where are we going? Not down there. Okay, got it. I should put a save state here. Okay, so where am I supposed to go then?
The area below the enemies has no floor. Be careful not to fall.
Thank you, that would have been good to know. Where am I supposed to go then? Oh, this way? I had to kill that enemy so I could go up here? Alright, cool. That... Oh, I see. Nice. What am I doing? I'm going into a snakehead? I'm dead? This is fine. This is a fun stage. I kind of like this. I have no idea what you're supposed to do once you get down here. Okay, I'm supposed to go this way? Fine by me. Alright. We're going deeper. Why did Gerald Robotnik build a fucking Aztec temple in his goddamn space colony arc? I don't understand this. Oh, cool.
Yes!
Next time, guys. Next time we're not gonna play as Knuckles ever again, so...
Barely made it.
Yeah, I know. Thank you, Sonic, for telling me.